In this video, we are going to discuss about problems on transmission parameter. So, what is basically a transmission parameter means? It is nothing but ABCD parameter. So, we are going to find the transmission parameter for the given network. Okay, so below this one, I am going to draw the circuit diagram. So, for this network, we need to find whether it is a symmetrical network or a reciprocal network. So, the formula for reciprocity is A is equal to D. If A is equal to D means that it follows a reciprocity. Okay, so this is a given circuit. Okay, so you see the direction of I1 and I2 and V1 and V2. So the basic ABCD parameter for the given the equation is it should follow from V1 and I1. So first V1 is equal to A into V2, okay, minus B into I2. Likewise, I1 is equal to C into V2 minus D into I2. Okay. So it forms a matrix called ABCD. A minus B, C minus D. Okay. So what is the value of A? A is equal to V1 by V2 whenever I2 is equal to 0. So because if I2 is equal to 0, B will be 0. Right. So likewise C, what is C? C is equal to I1 by V2 for I2 is equal to 0. For P is equal to V1 by minus I2, right? For V2 is equal to, when V2 is equal to 0. Likewise, what is D? D is equal to I1 divided by minus I2. So, D is equal to I1 divided by minus I2 when V2 is equal to 0. Okay, so first let us find out the values of A and C. After that, we will go for B and D. So to find the value of A and C, so which one should be 0? I2 must be 0. So if I2 must be 0, first let me draw the network diagram. So here I2 is 0. Okay, so if I2 is 0 means only I1 value is present, right? So if I1 value is present means you can easily reduce the values of resistor into a single resistor, right? So here I'm going to take the current flowing through the 1 ohm resistor as IA. Okay, if it is IA means according to the current division rule, Kirchhoff's current law, it is I1 minus IA. So what is IA? IA is equal to, according to the current divider rule, IA is equal to I1 is a total current divided by the opposite resistance divided by total resistance, right? So what is IA? IA is equal to I1 divided by 2, because 2 divided by 4 is 1 by 2, right? So what is V2? V2 is equal to 1 into IA, right? So IA is I1 divided by 2. Okay, from this I can write what is I1 divided by 2. Okay, so first I2 divided by I1 is 1 divided by 2. So I1 by V2 is 2. That is nothing but C. So it is nothing but more. Next, if you want to find the value of, so V1 is equal to 3 into I1 minus 2 into IA. So you substitute the value of IA here. Okay, IA is equal to I1 by 2, right? So it is nothing but I1. right? Because 2 to get cancelled out, so it is nothing but 2i1. Alright, so what is I need to find the value of V2, right? So V2 is equal to I1 by 2, right? So what is A? A is equal to, substitute V1 is equal to 2I1, okay? And what is V2? I1 by 2. So that is equal to 4. So since V1 by V2 is nothing but a voltage gain, right? So answer is 4. So it is respect of the unit. So there is no unit for this one. Okay, next to find the value of B and T. Right, to find the value of B and T. So for B and D, V2 value must be equal to 0. So if V2 is 0 means I have to short circuit V2, right? So those are the resistance value. It's already it is given the question itself. So I'm going to short circuit V2. Okay, so we know that what is B. B is equal to V1 by minus I2 for V2 is equal to 0, and D is equal to I1 by minus I2 for V2 is equal to 0. Okay, so since this is short circuited, there is no use in connecting the 1 ohm resistor, right? Because the entire current will flow through only this one, and that value is I2, right? So these are the resistance. So this is I1 and this is V1, right? So the current flowing through the 2 ohm resistance is I1 plus 7. Okay. So what is V1? V1 is equal to 3I1, right? I1 into 1 plus 2 into I1 plus I2. That is nothing but 3I1 plus 2I2. Okay, so considering the second mesh loop, I can write I1 into I2 into 1 plus 2 into I1 plus I2, that is equal to 0. So that is nothing but 3I2 plus 2I1, that is equal to 0. So from this I can write the value of I1. I1 is equal to minus 3I2 and divide by minus 3I2 divided by 2, right? So you substitute in this equation. So you will get 9 divided by 2 into I2 plus 2I2. So this is nothing but minus 5 by 2 I2. So what is V1 by minus I2? That is nothing but minus 5 by 2. 5 by 2, sorry. So this is nothing but B. Okay, so this is also in terms of ohm, right? B is in terms of ohms. So what is I1 divided by minus I2? That is 3 by 2. That is nothing but D, right? So D is equal to 3 by 2. So here also it is a unitless quantity since it is a current gain, right? Next, to find the value of to find whether it is reciprocal or symmetrical, we know that for reciprocal A is equal to D. So the A value is 4 and the D value is 3 by 2. Both are not equal, so it is not reciprocal. Next, for symmetrical, AD minus BC is equal to 1. So A value is 4 and D value is 3 by 2. Likewise, B is 5 by 2 and C is 2. So you will get 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1. So it is symmetrical. Okay.